So, last class we have studied what is allozoic nutrition. Later we have started nutrition in plants. Yeah. In that nutrition in plants, as we know that plants are the primary producers of food. They will make their own food by absorbing the sunlight in the presence of chlorophyll. So that is only called as the chemical process, which will convert the light energy into chemical energy, is only known as photosynthesis. So in that photosynthesis, they will utilize the inorganic substances like carbon dioxide and water from the surroundings, and they will utilize the light energy from the sun and the presence of chlorophyll. They used to produce the carbohydrates named as glucose as a food. Along with the byproduct, they will release a carbon dioxide. Byproduct they will release byproduct
Oxygen.
which
Oxygen gas.
breathing. So now these photosynthesis process completely will takes place in the green leaves of a plant. So as we know that a pigment which is present, and a pigment known as chlorophyll, which is present on a cells called as chloroplast, which is present in the, which is present in the where? Which is present in the green. So as well as if you'll observe, the carbon dioxide which will enter through this green leaves only, so that it is having a tiny pores, understanding that green leaves having a tiny pores in them. So the tiny pores where the carbon dioxide will enter is only known as stomata. What is that name? Stomata. We will study the structure of stomata and all everything. Understand? So through this stomata, they are called as what? A tiny pores which will present, understanding, on the leaf. So through this only the carbon dioxide will enter, and water requiring for making food is taken from the soil through the roots. They will take the water. So that water will be transported to the leaves from the soil through the roots and stem. So later the sunlight provides the energy required to carry out the chemical reactions involved in the preparation of food. Understand? So the green pigment called as chlorophyll, which is present in the green leaves, where it is present? Where it is present? In the chloroplast. That is only will helpful. It is only will helpful to understanding, produce the food or build the food. Understanding? So that simple food, the simple form of sugar is only known as, what we should call? A simple form of sugar is known as glucose. So this glucose is only supplied throughout the different parts of the plant, and the extra glucose which is changed into the another form of food. Complex food is known as starch. Is it yes or no? So this starch, where it will store? The starch is used to stored in green leaves only. The starch is stored in where it will store? Understand? So the starch is stored in the leaves of the plant, and this both the starch and glucose, simple sugars and complex sugars, both, understanding, they are belonging to the category of food which we used to call as, what we used to call? Carbohydrate. This is what we have studied, carbohydrates. So these food like carbohydrates prepared by photosynthesis, they contains which energy? They contains
chemical energy.
Chemical energy. Every food, the food which we are consuming, everything, they contains chemical energy, which is, understanding, stored in them, is prepared by what? By converting which energy?
Light energy to chemical
energy
to chemical
energy. So these chemical energy will be stored inside the food. So that energy is only we are consuming. So the green plants convert sunlight energy into chemical energy by making what? By By making
Carbohydrates.
so all the green plants will convert the light energy into chemical energy by making the carbohydrates. These carbohydrates only we used to call it as what? Generally, what we should call food. What we used to call
Food.
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 So now, so as we usually we know that this food prepared by photosynthesis provides all the energy to a plant which it is needs to grow, understanding, and needs to perform all its biological activities. And remaining, suppose it will take when we eat plant foods like food grains, pulses, fruits, vegetables, understanding flowers, understanding seeds, whatever it is. If you are eating some part of the plant or any plant of the part, then that chemical energy which stored in them is only released energy enough understand Ra, in our body during a process called as which process when that
Respiration.
in our body in the process
Respiration. Sir.
during understanding in our
Respiration.
body during the respiration process. So this is all what we have studied in the last class. Is it yes or no, Arvind?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Still so many need to join. Please make a call, put a call. If not, they will miss so many things. Again, they have to watch again from first. So that is. So now let us see. We'll proceed from there. Good morning, all of you. Varsini Bensi, Dilepan, everybody. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah.
Good morning, sir.
Let us see. Today we will discuss understanding. Now we will describe what actually happens during this process of photosynthesis. Understand? So I am saying photosynthesis means take carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, mix, something is happening. So what is exactly happening inside this photosynthesis? In the process of photosynthesis, that is what we should know. So how it takes place, the photosynthesis takes place, how, what is the steps involved, that is all we will see now. Understand? So let us see, understand, all of you keep heading, the photosynthesis, steps involved in photosynthesis. Steps involved in photosynthesis reaction. All of you keep hitting. Steps involving in photosynthesis reaction. Steps involving in photosynthesis reaction. So now, as we know that, what is the first step? Can you able to guess, anybody? What is the first step? Before carbon dioxide, before water, we need something. I see now also my surroundings, I'm having carbon dioxide, I'm having light, I'm having a water, everything. But why can't I convert? Why can't I produce the food? Only it is possible to produce the food. No, carbon dioxide is needed, water is needed, but somebody should have. You must have something that is only called as a green pigment. If it is not there, you cannot absorb the sunlight. If you are not absorbing the sunlight, you are not converting the light energy into chemical energy. So then what is the first step involved in photosynthesis reaction? Chlorophyll. Very good. You speak confidently, understanding. So the steps involved in photosynthesis reaction, the photosynthesis takes place in basically 3 steps actually. How many steps? So actually it is involved in 3 steps. So let us go for the first step. As we know that every people, the understanding carbon dioxide and water is present at everywhere. So, but it is not possible to build the food by every organism. Only it is possible the organisms which contains a green pigment known as chlorophyll. So the first step involved in photosynthesis is absorption of sunlight energy by whom? By whom?
Chlorophyll, sir.
Chlorophyll.
Absorption of sunlight energy. Sunlight energy by chlorophyll. That is the first step which is involved. Please, all of you note it down. To understand which step is first. Next, after that, what will happen, Ra? After that, what will happen? This chemical energy, sorry, this light energy will be converting into. This light energy will be
energy.
Into which energy?
Chemical energy. Chemical energy.
Chemical energy. Chemical energy. And what will happen? And two more things will be there. The splitting of water into hydrogen and oxygen by light energy. So here what will happen means, observe carefully. The conversion of light energy into chemical energy, that is the second step. So the step 2, what will happen means we should form glucose called as food. That is why. So conversion of light energy. Conversion of light energy to which energy, Ra? Light energy.
Chemical energy. Chemical energy.
Into
energy.
chemical energy. Into chemical energy. As well as you remember also, this step only very important. People don't know. And the water will be splitting into, and with the help of this light energy, the splitting of water, how it can split, Ra?
Hydrogen and oxygen.
Huh?
Hydrogen and oxygen.
Hydrogen and oxygen.
Splitting of water into two products known as the products which we are very familiar. What are that?
Hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen and oxygen.
And oxygen. Hydrogen and oxygen.
Oxygen.
By which energy? By which energy?
Light energy. Light energy.
Light energy.
Understanding? Light energy. So this is the step 2 process which is involved. Understand? Now, next, third step is there. What is the step 3? Can anybody guess? Anybody? That is only formation of carbohydrates.
Emitting carbon dioxide.
Formation of
Carbon
carbohydrates,
dioxide.
called as glucose.
Forming of glucose and
How
starch.
it will form?
Forming of
Chemistry you have
glucose and
studied.
starch.
Chemistry you have studied. Chemistry you have studied. So that is only called as reduction. Have you remembered the process called as reduction in chemistry?
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of reduction?
Removal of hydrogen.
Removal of hydrogen.
Removal of hydrogen.
Yeah,
Reduction
reduction
of oxygen and removal
reduction
of
means not
oxygen.
removal of hydrogen.
Removal of oxygen and addition of hydrogen.
Reduction. We have heard the word called as reduction. Understanding? Reduction means what is that? Addition of hydrogen.
Hydrogen, removal of oxygen.
Addition of
Removal of
hydrogen.
oxygen.
Addition of
Removal of
hydrogen or removal of oxygen. Is it yes or no? Removal of oxygen. Now, let me see if you are intelligent. Here, either we are adding hydrogen or removing oxygen. If you will see the product, you can understand. C6H12O6. C6H12O6. Hydrogen is adding. Carbon dioxide is not happening. You remember, carbon dioxide is same. Just water is splitting into two products called as hydrogen as well as oxygen. As we know that one of the byproduct in photosynthesis. What is that?